What's up? Welcome to Beats and Eats. I'm being 5 Stacks and today I feel like chefing a beat. Let's get to cooking. And we're back from Hungry Ear. I went and selected a few random records. First one was Oregon. Cover looks pretty fuego. The next one was the Lester Young Story, Volume 3. Got the sax on the top. And this one looks like it's got some heat on it. Love Unlimited. So we're gonna get to chopping it up, listening, seeing what's good. Beats and Eats. This one's for you Instapot users. We're gonna make some roast beef. Make sure you get your potatoes. We're gonna get a nice sear mark on each side of the roast beef. And once we do, we're gonna pull it out and throw our onions and mushrooms on in. And then we'll deglaze with some wine. Now that our pan is deglazed and our onions and mushrooms are nice and sauteed, let's go ahead and add our roast beef back in with the potatoes, submerge it in some beef broth, and add some cream of mushroom. While this Instapot cooks, let's get the beats going.
Everybody's laughing. Yes, everybody's laughing.
And there you have it. We got Instapot roast beef. Real quick, real flavorful. Gosh dag nabbit. You know what time it is. Beats and Eats. I'm being 5 Stacks. Make sure if you like this beat, download it in the description below. Ooh, melts in your mouth, bro. Melts in your mouth. You gotta try this. Don't be scared to put vegetables in here if you want. Carrots, celery. I wasn't feeling like it.